This is the XJ40 centre console kit. This one has been made in vinyl as requested by the customer over in Australia. They can be made in full leather as well if you wish, or a combination of leather and vinyl. It consists of a few bits and bobs. It's a retrim kit, so it's material cut to shape, sewn where applicable, for you to retrim all of the hardware elements at your end. So you have this bit here, which is fairly straightforward. This is a sewn and top stitched element of basically the kind of cubby box lid that sits in the center of the two seats. You then get this part here, which is material and then foam padding, which goes over the main center console top area where the gear lever would stick out of. You then get a pair of these bits, which are literally the sides that go down the sides of the vertical of the gearbox effectively. Then, this bit's going to be hard to show, you get this massive piece here, which circles all the way around. So imagine you were looking in the left-hand side of the car. This would be the front dash area. This would be the back of it here. This right-hand seat would be over the far side, and you'd be effectively stood on the left-hand seat. So it's a big, almost circular piece. You get elements of top stitching here and all the way around here, but it retrims all that area. And then finally, you get two small bits here and here. Now this is, if you imagine you were looking into the back of the car where the rear seats are, just behind where the console ends, kind of going onto the rear floors, but still on the tunnel area of the gearbox, you get two pieces that sit around. This bit gets curved around effectively. Again, if you're looking in the left hand of the car, it will be something like that, I believe, or possibly the other way around. And then this part sits in the middle there for retrimming. That's the kit.